How to build a chatbot with Hugging Face. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can build a chatbot or use the prompt. First of all, open your web browser. Here in this video, I'm using Google Chrome. Now enter huggingface.co. So you'll be in this website. Now here on the top at the search bar, search for chatbot. So it will pop up in the first. So make sure you tap on this one. So this is the model that is available. Now it is in PIP Python form, so you must install it. So here are other files that you can directly download and use it. So it is easier to use when you have the same extension file JSON. So install this and you'll be able to run or create your own chatbot using this code. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.